Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling the environment and power. Make sure both Airpods and the case are at least 50% charged. Low power causes drops. Once done, disable Bluetooth on nearby devices so you don't have competing connections. Now forget the Airpods in your phone's Bluetooth menu and hold the setup button on the case for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This resets the connection data and clears corrupted pair settings. After the reset, repair your Airpods to the primary device by opening the case near the phone and following the on-screen prompts. This reestablishes a clean link. Then check firmware by going to the Devices About page. Airpods update only when iOS or the host is current, so update the phone first if necessary. Make sure to test the connection while close to the Wi-Fi router and with different apps to confirm whether drops are audio app-specific or system-wide. For persistent disconnects, dive deeper. Disable Bluetooth accessory background scanning and avoid forcing non-native audio codecs because codec mismatches can drop streams. If problems continue, reset your phone's network settings. This clears network-level corruption but removes saved Wi-Fi, so be prepared to re-enter passwords. Also test one Airpod at a time to see if a single bud is faulty. If you still experience dropouts after these steps, contact Apparel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.